This is, the clear coat here is gone. It's flat. It's eroding right here. But let me show you what the power Lukat can do. Now this is gone. There's no clear coat here. But this clear coat is pretty flat. Now if I had water right now, I'd put water on here. It's going to look shiny, drive kid ugly again. But I'm going to show you what you can do with this stuff. If your clear coat is flat like this on the hood, roof, and trunk, but not peeling, you want to do what I'm about to do right now. You put this on and you just go back and forth. You don't do no circles. It's not a wax, it's a cleaner, but it's designed specifically to clean a problem like this. And this is not temporary. What you're doing here is removing all the contaminants that are permeated in the clear. So when you do this, you remove the problem 100%. Now the clear coat's still good, it's just buried and intact. You just got to be able to clean it, and that's what this does right here. I don't know if you can see that. Oh yeah, come over here on this side. Look at that gloss. You see that? You getting that? Yeah. Okay. So this is permanent, guys. That's gonna make it look okay. So you use this to bring it to this because it's clean. There's no wax here. It's just 100% clean. We have another product called Easy Wax that you put on there afterwards. And so you guys want to know more? Call us up at 505-304-8652. I love talking to people. Ask me questions. This stuff is awesome. If not, just go to lukatdetail.com and you can order there. Get your kit today. Join us in the fight against ugly paint job pollution. Later, guys.